live in a world where mathematical tools are becoming more and more accessible, but a lot of people struggle to turn that access into confident implementation. So one of the big challenges that people have is applying AI to analytics. People are just starting to understand how to do this, and it's especially difficult if you aren't an expert in coding to begin with. Another big problem people have is thinking about probabilities. Now, understanding probability, understanding uncertain events is critical in business, but it's actually really difficult and unintuitive, unfortunately. So in our class, we will develop formal frameworks like probability trees to understand how to think about uncertainty, and we'll also study how to quantify the certainty of statistical tests, learning how to avoid the sort of errors that have caused the replication crisis in the sciences. In this course, we'll use AI to create programs to solve complex quantitative problems and to create beautiful visualizations of our answers. At the same time, we will identify the key risks of using AI for analytics and how to avoid those risks.
So one of the main learning outcomes is going to be understanding uncertainty. So we all have an intuitive understanding that some events are unlikely, others are likely, that some forms of evidence are persuasive and others are not. We will formalize this understanding in this class.
In this course, we'll work through a variety of sophisticated, practical analytics projects that I've nonetheless designed to be easy for students to work with at any level of experience. You're going to have a much bigger toolkit after finishing this course, but more importantly, you're going to be much more confident using that quantitative toolkit. We live in an era of easy access to AI and big data, but very few people take advantage of all the low-hanging fruit. You will be one of the people who does.